All right. Math friends, I am going to upload this image for you for your subtracting of decimals. Um, they already lined up the decimals for you to subtract, so hopefully you didn't have any trouble with that. But once you got your answers, you had to put them in the crossword puzzle, and you do put the decimal point in. If you've input your answers correctly, then you then your numbers will line up with each other. So for example, for number 1, um, on your page you had 8 minus 2.9. So it was 8 minus 2.9. And they already had it lined up for you where you are subtracting ones from ones and then tenths from tenths. So you just had to put your 0 here to help you figure that out. And you would just regroup just like you would with any other subtraction problem, like that. You would have gotten 10 minus 9 is 1. Put your decimal point back in there. 7 minus 2 is 5. And so then this is 1 across. On your crossword puzzle, you'd put 5.1, right? Then if you go down and do number 2 on your worksheet was under it was a down columns, right? So for number 2, they gave you 3 minus 3. That's not a very good 3. Let me erase that. Fix it real quick. You had 3 minus 1.341, or 1 and 341 thousandths. 3, 4, 1. So you had to subtract this. Again, they had already lined it up for you. You just needed to put your decimal point in and some zeros after so that it's easier to work the problem. And then you just work it like you would any other subtraction problem. You have to regroup, change this 3 to 2 1s, and make the tenths place 10 tens, but you got to regroup from there, make it 9 tenths, and put 1 over here, so you have 10 hundredths. You got to regroup again. I'm going to make that 9 hundredths, and there you go with 10 thousandths. So 10 thousandths minus 1 thousandths is 9. 9 minus 4, there's the 5. 9 minus 3, 6. Put your decimal point in, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So once you set up your problem, you just subtract just like normal and just keep those decimal points lined up. And then your answer for number 2 down, so like this was number 1 across, and this was number 2 down, and your answer is 1 and 659 thousandths. So you can see how they put 1 and 659 thousandths. So your 1 here is a shared number between the two problems. And it works, right? You got 5 and 1/10, and then 1 and 659 thousandths. So you could feel pretty confident at least that this number is correct, right? Because you got it with both problems. So the crossword puzzle is there just more as a check for you. If you're doing the math correctly, your crossword puzzle should work out where the numbers line up properly in any place that they cross. So any problem going this way are the across problems. And on your crossword puzzle, it has the numbers to show you. So this is 3 across on your crossword puzzle, 7 across. And so if this is 3 across, then this is also 3 down, right? So I'll put this image up for you. If you have questions about this or you're confused, you can message me and I can meet with you and talk about it.